Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to hide the files and folders or directories in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 and how to view the hidden files and directories in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. So I have opened the Explorer. So here you can see the option show hidden files. So it will display all the hidden files and folders. So hidden files and folder will start with a dot symbol. Okay. So now once again I'm unchecking. You can see that hidden files and folders are disappeared. So now I'm going to show you how to create one hidden folder. I'm creating one hidden folder by giving the dot symbol. So once again I am checking show hidden files. So now you can see that hidden folder is created, which I created. I can able to view the hidden folder. So now I am going to show you how to view the hidden folder in terminal. Okay. So ls command does not display all the files. So ls hyphen ah. So a will display all the files, hidden files and hidden directories. Also, you can see all the hidden files and directories are got displayed. So now I am creating one hidden folder using make dir command. So make sure that you are giving the dot symbol, and also I am creating one hidden file using touch command, touch space dot symbol file name. Okay, so now once again I am giving ls hyphen lah. You can see that whatever hidden folder and hidden file which I have created through command line is also got displayed. So this is the way you need to you can view hidden files and folder or create the hidden files and folder. Also you can remove the hidden files and folder simply using rm command. So if it is a folder means use rm-rf. If it's a file means just rm hidden file name, that's it.